Okay, this is some figure eights on Flatwater and solo canoe using 2x4 or using the forward and the cross forward and variations of it to do all of the steering. We'll watch it in real time first and then go back and do a little analysis. Okay, the first thing to look at is that I carved to my offside. So to do that, I'm going to do a quick start to my offside. That's going to start with one cross forward stroke. Because I'm starting from a dead stop, that can be very leaned forward. My chin goes way past my knees. Here it doesn't matter if I unload my bow. And look how far down my bow goes into the water from that lean until I accelerate. So a quick start to carve to my offside is a cross forward stroke followed by two or more onside strokes. Notice how low I get my top hand on the recovery phase when my blade is out of the water. We can watch to see whether that top hand stays low as I cross over to my onside. So it only comes up again to my forehead level as my blade is about to catch in the water. It stays at forehead level during the power phase. It comes up to the top of my helmet maximum height during the recovery phase of my stroke. The other thing to look at here is that my chin currently is over my knees. Even on my cross forward stroke, once I'm in motion, I really don't want to bring my weight any further forward than that. And that is mostly because I'm trying to avoid loading my bow. The further forward my chin comes, the further down my bow goes. That's not inherently bad when we're in an eddy or sitting motionless, but as soon as we're trying to cross an eddy line or move through current, we want to unweight our bow, especially when facing upriver. These next few strokes will start to generate some speed, start to straighten my carve, preparing to switch to the onside carve. Here it is at half speed. Again, that top hand is coming no higher than the top of my helmet. Here comes a faster cadence of strokes and a sweeping stroke. Top hand stays no higher than shoulder level, helping to clear the blade, and I'm onto my onside. For the onside forward stroke, we're looking for the belly button or the front panel of the life jacket to face off to one side during the reach for our stroke. So if this is the center line of my canoe, my belly button or my front panel is facing 30, maybe even 45 degrees off from that. That's going to extend my reach forward from the catch of my power stroke. And it also sets up a lot of the twisting work of the upper body before the stroke even goes in the water. Super cool. Here are several onside strokes with that twist quite visible. Looking for that life jacket panel to twist back and forth. So there's the reach, there's the power phase, there's the reach again, there's the power phase. And here comes one other switch. Notice my stroke rate accelerates before doing a low angle sweeping stroke starting here, catch in the same place, but my top hand drops. A little bit of a stern draw there. I look in the new direction, pause, plant my cross forward, and I'm on to the offside curve again. Awesome, thanks.